Hey guys, I always want to tell you guys the bats it had been flooding as bad. There's a hurricane coming in. They can start growing already. This is how flooded it is. There's no sewer system here. It's a small province, pretty much like some of the little towns in the United States. So I don't have an escape route. The rain is flooding on my crop. This is real bad already. Lost one crop already. Looks like it's gonna hit a second crop right now. That's a bad side farming. Every business is a gamble. Nothing's guaranteed. This one, I can't really control the weather. But it looks like I'm gonna lose my crop. I'll just show you guys that it's been flooding. You guys can tell there's no sewer system here. The road's flooded inside the house. Okay, you guys take care.